Hello and welcome to another video on circle problems. Today we are going to be looking at another problem that uses the equation of a circle. So let's go ahead and read the problem. Ready? It says, write an equation of a circle which passes through points 0, -9, 7, 2, -2, -5, -10. So for this problem, you want to think about the properties of a circle, right? So you have your circle. Let's draw a tiny circle. All right, here's our circle. Not the best circle, but it should work. And we pick our center O, and that's our XY coordinate. And so we have these 3 points, A, B, C, right? And we imagined these points lying somewhere on this circle, right? It says passes through these 3 points. Therefore, these 3 points must lie on the circle. So, I actually don't know, but I'm gonna assume somewhere about that. But we get the idea, right? But no matter where the points are, the distance from this origin to any point on the circle is exactly the same. Is exactly the same. So if we call this length R, then this length here is also R. Likewise here. So we can use this rule, I say, to develop an expression for 2 of these points. So I'm just gonna go ahead and label them again. C. All right. So what we're going to do, we're gonna form a relationship between A and B. Well, we know that each of these points are equal, so therefore we're gonna use OA is equal, line OA is equal to line OB. Okay, so far so good. Now to find the length of OA, we just use the distance formula. So distance, and then we also use distance formula for that one as well. And we have x minus 0 squared plus y minus 9 squared, right? It's Pythagoras' theorem, right? So, and then same with OB. We have x minus 7 squared plus y minus 2 squared. Now we simplify and square both sides. Now note that we don't take the positive plus or minus root. Now we are left with x squared plus well, this becomes y plus 9 squared is equal to here we have well, it's still going to be x minus 7 squared plus y plus 2 squared. So what we're going to do, we're going to expand it. So to do that, we're just going to x squared plus y squared plus 18y plus 81, right? FOIL, right? And then FOIL again. So this is 14x plus 49 plus y squared. So I do hope you have a strong foundation for this, for the algebra. So now notice the x and x here are going to cancel out if you subtract, and likewise the y squares will also cancel out. So we're going to add both sides by 14x and also subtract both sides to get everything on one side. We're going to subtract 4y here, and I'm just going to show it. So 14x. Now 18 minus 4 is going to be 14, so plus 14x. And we actually need to add these up first. So 49 plus 9, that's going to be 51. That's going to be 51. And we're gonna do so essentially we have put everything on one side and to make everything look better. Okay, so we see that we can we can definitely factor out that. So what we're going to do, we're going to move the 30 back on the other side, and then we are going to and then we're going to reduce that. So we're gonna go ahead and divide by 2 on each side. So you have 7x plus 7y is equal to, and there's our first equation relating the x and y points. Now, to solve for x and y, to solve for the center of the circle, we need we actually need another equation that relates. Actually, it doesn't really matter which one relate. We're just going to choose C and A. So remember this. We're going to call this 1. And then we're going to go ahead and do OC is equal to OA. Alright. So the point of all this is to solve for x and y, right? So we're going to go ahead and do the algebra again. OC is we're not gonna write down the minus. So, and then we have our OA again. And then we're gonna square both sides and simplify. Expand. Yes. And same as before, the x squared cancel out, and as well the y squared cancel out. And so we're left with 10x on the right hand side. And what we're going to do is we're going to move the constants on one side. So to do that, we're going to move the 100 to the right hand side. So the right hand side is going to simplify to -19. And then we have 10x on 10x here, and actually no, we gotta subtract 25 as well. So that's subtract 25. Okay, and then we're going to subtract 18x to the left. So we have plus 2y. Okay, now it looks like we can simplify it, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to divide it by 2. So dividing everything by 2, we get 5x plus y is equal to -22. And now we have everything we need to solve the question.